Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be taking another sneak peek at some new product from the upcoming annual catalog. This is a photopolymer stamp set called Lasting Joy. It is gorgeous. It works very well with the Country Inn suite of products. I think it's called Country Inn. Yes, because this is the Country Inn Designer Series paper. We're going to be using a bit of that. We also have the Countryside Blossoms Embossing folder. And we're going to be using the artistic dies, okay? I'm using those, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have our Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit for May. You have until May 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that comes with new in color Stampin' Spot of copper clay. This kit makes 9 cards and also has some free stickers. We also have our April 2023 host code. When you place an order of $60 or more in Honeybee Stamping Hive before tax and shipping, and you use this host code, I'm going to send you a free pack of the brushed brass butterflies, okay? Just don't forget to use that host code. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. Yay! This is for the U.S. only. I can only ship in the U.S. We have medium flat rate USPS boxes. I filled them up with plus or minus $200 worth of new and used retired Stampin' Up product. And I mean, I stuffed those boxes, so it's probably more of the plus side of 200. And I'm moving my craft room to a smaller space, a way smaller space, so I don't have room for a lot of my extras that I like to keep. So I'm selling these boxes for $40 each, and that includes the shipping. So you're really getting a steal on this deal. So just email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested in getting one of these mystery boxes, and we can talk from there. Okay, that is all the buzzworthy business. Let's get started on our project. So I have here some boho blue card stock, and this is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and I'm just burnishing that with our bone folder. I have some Misty Moonlight here. This is, I don't know the measurements right off because I am using the April 2023 sheet load of cards card sketch by Call Me Crafty Owl. Oh. So if you want the measurements, all you have to do is click on the link that I'm gonna have in the description box, and she'll tell you all about how to get the free PDF to make a sheet load of these cards, and I'm just making one. So we have some Misty Moonlight. We have some Night of Navy that I've gone ahead and put some adhesive sheet on the back because we're gonna be die cutting. Actually, let's go ahead and die cut that now. Let's go ahead and die cut it now because I think that is the only thing I need to die cut. And I am using this beautiful leaf die from our artistic dies. Let me just get this on here. And what that adhesive sheet is going to do is make our die cut like a sticker. So because when I have intricate dies like this, I don't like using the glue, and this makes it a lot easier and neater because the adhesive is already on the back. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this popped out. I'm looking. Come on. Oh, don't tear it, Shauna. Be patient. It looks like I am going to have to pop all of these because I want these centers popped out, and I'm going to have to do that. So I'm going to go off camera and pop all of those out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have that done. Whew, we'll be using that in a minute. So what I'm going to do is get some Designer Series paper. Oh, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. This embossing folder, it lines up with this particular sheet of the Designer Series paper. I don't know if you can see that, but I embossed that with the folder, and it laid right on the image. Isn't that cute? So we're going to add this to our Misty Moonlight with some liquid glue here. I'm just gonna set this down. Whoop. Leaving a small border. I did change the size of my designer series paper from the size that Call Me Crafty Owl has on her sheet. Ooh, I almost did the wrong side. So it might look a little different from what it'll turn out from hers. And I am going to just place this piece over here, and this is just the back side of this paper. Oh my gosh. This is not lining up. I should have put this one down first because I forgot the size that it was. Okay, so then I'm going to take this and adhere it to our card base. Just like this, right in the center. Oh man, I have glue on my finger. That's not good. Okay. And we're gonna use a little bit of this, so that's why I didn't punch out all of this. So I think I'm just gonna pull that off. We can use that somewhere else. And this is just gonna go like this. But before we put that on, we're gonna do some stamping. Let me move this out of the way. So I have some Misty Moonlight ink here. And we are gonna stamp our inside. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I'm not sure if I told you that. And this is for our inside. And we have some little flowers here that I'm gonna stamp just along the side here. Ooh, this Misty Moonlight is really juicy. Let me get some scrap paper so I can stamp one more set here at the top, going off of the paper, just like that. Okay, oh, we need that still. Then I'm going to stamp our sentiment on this strip here. And I am stamping, hoping for better days ahead. And I'm hoping I can get this on here straight because I did not cut another strip. How do we do? Good, that came out just right. I almost didn't make it in there. Okay, come on. Then we're just gonna angle cut this a bit, like that. Where's my glue? Where did I put the glue? We can go ahead and glue our inside to the card. Just gonna put this right in here. Just like that. Okay, so now this is going to get popped up with some dimensionals. And we're going to have it just like this. So I want this to go here, and I just wanted to see how much I need to cut off of the stem, and pretty much most of it. I just do it right down to that little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the backing off of our stem, our little leaf here, because we're making this a sticker. I want that about right there, so I'm gonna put that right there, just like that. Remove the backings of our dimensionals. Let me close this glue up. And we're going to pop this on. Okay, wait, lay down now. We're going to pop this on right about here. And then I'm going to get some iridescent rhinestone jewels. You might take your pick tool. And we're going to add a few of these on our card. And I think I want one more big one. Just put it right here in the middle of this flower. And that is perfect. Isn't that cute? I like that. This is a good card sketch too. Oh, I snagged this when I cut it. Okay, but it's cute. I like it. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.